Hey there, creatives! Here's how to download and install Adobe Character Animator for free on your PC or Mac using the official Adobe website. Step 1. Access the official Adobe website. Click the link in the description below to access the official Adobe Character Animator trial page. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for Character Animator, which include specific system requirements. This powerful animation tool performs best on a well-equipped setup, so ensuring your device is compatible is essential. Step 2. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Once on the trial page, click on the Start Free Trial button. This unlocks 7 days of full access to Adobe Character Animator and other Creative Cloud features, giving you a valuable opportunity to explore these tools' full potential. Step 3. Sign in or create one if you're new. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but don't worry. You won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 7-day trial is up. I highly recommend setting a reminder to avoid any surprise charges. Remember, you can cancel the trial at any time during the 7 days, and you won't be charged if you do so. Step 4. Download the Character Animator installer. After signing in, you'll be prompted to download the Character Animator installer. Click on the download button to start the download process. The download may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Install Character Animator. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Character Animator. The installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Step 6. Launch Character Animator. After installation, launch Character Animator and start using it for free for an entire week. Whether creating 2D animations, using puppets, or experimenting with facial expressions, this is your chance to explore everything Character Animator can do without paying upfront. Remember, the official link is in the description. Use that to get started and follow along. If this walkthrough helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. Do you have questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for hanging out and happy animating!